Hi, my name is Oscar Javier Munoz. I am a full stack web developer from Colombia. I live in a city called Bucaramanga, and at this moment, I am working for a US based company from the mortgage sector. About my education, I can say that I am a system engineer. I got graduated in 2014 from the Industrial University of Santander, and I started working as developer in 2017. About my experience, I could say that I started working as a full stack developer and I started using PHP. And most of the time I had worked with PHP. I had used the frameworks of Symfony and Laravel. And last year I have been more focused on Laravel and WordPress, the CMS. And in the front end, I have worked with I started using jQuery and vanilla JavaScript, and then I make the shift to start using React and Vue, right? And also, it's important to mention that all the time I have used CSS because I work in the front end, and I started using Bootstrap, and then I make the shift to start using Tailwinds, right? It it is quite important to mention that I all the time I have worked with databases. I started using my SQL and have been the database that I have used most. But also I have knowledge in SQL Server, Oracle DB, and PostgreSQL. Well, about my skills and strengths, I think that the most important are that I am constant, I am responsible, and I am curious. I think that these three skills and strengths are really important because you have to improve every day. So you have to do this job all the time in order to see progress in your life and in your career. And I think that uh, in this path, I mean the development work, I think that being curious is key because this career changes all the time. It evolves, it appears new tools, new technologies, and you have to embrace them in order to improve your workflow. Well, about my achievements, I think that uh, I consider an achievement a task that I have to do. That was the electronic invoicing in the first company that I work. I have to make the integration with the DIAN, and that was quite hard to do because I didn't have any documentation or any help from their side. So I have to do it by myself. Uh, uh, Try test and testing all the time to see that works, and it works. It keeps working in that company. And another thing that I consider an achievement is to keep in track of how this work evolves every day. For that reason, I think that start using new AI tools and start using new technologies. It's really important in order to keep you updated in this IT world. Well, being say so, I truly appreciate your interest on myself. Well, I hope to hear from you again. Thank you so much. Have a great day.